Who can resist super crispy, flavorful potatoes baked in the oven? Welcome to Sweetest Cooking, Anke here, and in today's episode I'm gonna show you a foolproof and easy recipe on how to make the best, crispiest, flavorful roasted potatoes possible. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. But now, let's get started. So I garnished the dip with some more chives and a little drizzle of chili oil, and now it's time to give it a taste test. Here's my beautiful dip. That's just beautiful. Yummy. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe and will try it for yourself. Leave me a comment below, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And if you would like to know how to make my delicious slow cooker pulled pork, which goes really well with those roasted potatoes, then you need to check out my next video. I hope to see you there. Until then, sweetest cooking everyone.